Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to Release Your Best. This is Adlan, your trainer in emotional and social intelligence. Welcome to the page of emotional conditioning for peak performances. Before I explain what is emotional conditioning, I'd like you to realize that emotion brings motion. So, what is emotion conditioning for peak performance? Your custom process to set your goals and to become prepared emotionally, mentally, and tactically for your set goals, but also how to stay committed to your goals and how you can achieve and overachieve these goals of yours. This is your personalized success proof process. This session are here to deliver you goal clarity and objectivity, rational and practical plan setting, accountability and execution framework, but also bring you rational reflection and adjustment alongside hitting your goal. This is an action oriented process specifically to accompany you from your wants, your aspirations, into ambitions, into goal, into success. So, what can I do for you? Here I will listen to you and ask you the relevant question. Move your wants into specific and actionable goals, but also challenge you. Challenge you and make you reflect on your goal planning and your goal execution, but also assist you in setting your custom process to complete your goals. And your goals can range from professional to personal goals. It could be getting the job of your dreams, getting the body that you want, or launching your own business, whatever that may be. The whole process is to turn your ambitions, your inspirations, into actionable and executable goals. And all type of people use emotional conditioning for peak performance. It could be employees, athletes, managers, leaders, entrepreneurs, anyone wanting to turn their ambition into tangible results, and maybe just you included. Now, picture, imagine how your life and career would be with emotional conditioning. How, with this sequential process, you would get the benefit of having the consciousness to success. How you can master the execution of your goals. How you could thrive and optimize your performance. But also how your life would be if you have the benefit of developing an optimal frame of mind. How you have a framework to boost your ability. How you have a support network to get tangible results. Because again, like everything else, it starts with your mind, how you are conditioning mentally and emotionally. Now, you may have questions about the process. So, what you can do is to scroll down all the way down and have more details about the process, but also the FAQ section, frequently asked questions. And if you want to know more about this process, you can, of course, schedule a one-to-one conversation where I can answer your most unique and individualized questions about this process of emotional conditioning. In the meantime, go release your best.